update on subway servers. Plus, tag event number 10. Okay, I'm just gonna wait.
What?
So, I'm just gonna play, and then just putting out like this. Okay, now we can put down. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So, Nora can probably get an iPad too. Yeah. Mommy, so you have to have a signature on Noah's homework. Okay, so I heard, so let me look. So it's Venice beach party. So I heard Keaton was talking about he was going to be at the Venice beach party tomorrow. So I don't know why they did it on this. It was kind of weird. But I guess they just wanted to do it because it seemed like, well, they wanted to do it. Oh my god, it sounds super cool. It kind of sounds like a treasure map. Oh my god. Oh my god, look who's there. That's kind of like a stray pants. That kind of looks like a real person. It kind of looks a little weird. I'm not sure why. It just, the eyes are a little bit more sparkly. Oh, wait. Huh? What the what? Oh my god, I love Boombot. Oh my god. He is like the best character out of all characters. I'm going to collect that. Oh yeah. He is the Boombox with a robot. It's a bonus character. She's a little like Tagbot. A little bit.
The new one?
Yes, that's the new one. And this, Dylan. I think that's a boy. And let me look at this. Oh, Lifeguard. Lifeguard. Is that a girl or a boy? I'm not sure if that's a girl or a boy. And Carlos, I mean. So I don't have many characters, but I just unlocked Boombox. And he's over here for some reason. And here are the boards.
Can you get me a chair?
Oh, Renegade, it's called. And I think there's a... No, it's just a special character. I guess so. Okay, and now let me see the weekly hunt. Oh, wait, no. There it goes. Okay, law. Okay, I just need to complete 4 war turns and collect 10. That's like it's rock metal, and it is like next to a sun with wings, and I'm not sure what that red thing is. 20 and 25. Okay, so wait, okay, and this is only gonna be for it's an only 3 weeks. Okay, that's good.
Are you trying to play?
No, just go down.
Whoa, I want to unlock him.
Yeah.
Can I?
Correct. Yes, you can. Nora unlocked
Yes,
Boombox.
I never thought I could do that.
And look, I have him. And it's kind of moving a little funny. I like his dance moves. He is doing the robot, but he is a robot.
Set, go.
Okay, so I'm just gonna see. I'm not gonna use these, even though I'm just gonna use those. And I don't even have full multiply. That's why I need to go. Okay, so what board do I have? No, not the wing glider. I'm gonna use my speeder board. Yeah, that's my favorite. Okay, so I'm probably going to use him for the uppercut. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Noah's ahead because I decided.
How many coins do you have?
There.
How many coins? I'm good.
44.
I have 76.
Okay, I couldn't use the headset for some reason. I don't know why.
I have so many coins right now. I don't know. Have you died yet? How many times have you died?
No, I haven't died yet.
Yes, you have. How
I just wanted to save myself because I wanted to use the head starts. I have 100.
I have 200.
Okay. Oh my god, I like all the roller coasters. They're so cool. No, I love them.
Boy, I got a head start by the way.
Oh yeah, cool. I like how my robot has like big feet. My robot has really big feet. No, my robot has big feet. Doesn't the carrot have really big feet?
How many cheese do you have?
I have 14 right now.
Nice. I have 4.
I'm not gonna spend them on anything really. Okay.
Guys, so I just died with.
Okay, here's my bacon on the waffles.
And orange juice.
Yeah, and oranges. And I'm gonna pick the Beanie Boo a little bit after this. So this video is gonna be connected with the Beanie Boo, or maybe I should have done the Beanie Boo thing before that. But I'm probably gonna make it in separate videos anyways. So 600. Oh, I'm still on the same one, you know.
How many times have you died?
Only one. I just had none. But I just wanted to save myself.
None? That's not fair. Well, if you save yourself, that still counts as one die.
Well, yeah, I don't really care about
I've
that.
died once too. So, we're fair. Guys, if my voice sounds a little bit different, because my voice has like a sound in it.
Oh, she kind of does some. I'm not sure. I don't.
You sound different.
Okay, and I'm trying to complete. How many of those things were? There was like those rock metal hands. How many rock metals things you do have? The weekly hunt.
I don't have any.
Oh, bad for you.
How many do I have? 2. No more for you.
Okay, but I don't think much is gonna pop up yet. Because it wasn't popping up much before.
I saw one, but I couldn't get it.
Why? It was on top of a train?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that happens to me a lot also.
I'm gonna get that.
I don't know.
I died twice. How many coins do you have?
1,000. Oh my god, I like the skateboards in the tunnel. Like painted onto there. Well, it's called Venice Beach Party, it said. Okay, Noah, I missed one of those rock metal things just for you. What is it score, Noah? Okay. Also like this one.
This is getting hard now. I got 250. Oh, now the super cool.
Actually, I think the hoverboard kind of matches with him because it's like almost the same colors. Well, I have some magnet.
I'm going really fast now. You know that?
Wait, you have those fast hoverboards upgrade?
No.
Oh.
But I mean, I'm running fast. It goes really fast.
Doesn't really feel fast when you get used to
Mine
it.
is just going super fast.
Sometimes it goes fast on me.
Going really fast. 400 points. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm good. I hate dying.
Okay, I'm just stopping using hoverboards because I want to have 666. I missed another rock metal thing for you, Nora. How many do you have?
None.
Oh my god, it's so unlucky for you.
It's really unlucky because I died.
How many coins did you have?
510.
Oh, that's good though.
You died.
I'm gonna die soon. Don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna die once they get like 1 million. And I'm gonna die then. So yeah, because I don't want this beanie boot to be dumb. Did it just say
minutes?
That'll be like in 5 minutes. What?
If there was a beanie character.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. Guys, comment down. Also, comment down if you want a character named Morrison. Manager. And the outfits would be the number outfit and the Beanie Boo outfit. And if Subway Surfers allowed the third outfit.
One named Nora, it will be a kitty dress.
Well, even though she's like, and she has one. So Nora would have the rainbow outfit and the candy outfit because she loves candy. But she doesn't eat it like every single day of every single minute because that's bad for her. She just always wants it, but sometimes her parents doesn't know. Oh my god, I almost died. Well, it would have been still fine if I died anyways, because I don't really care about this one, because this is just a random one, because the new update came. Yeah, I wasn't really getting bored in Monaco, though, actually. I kind of like that area. But this is a lot of cool stuff. And plus, the trailer, it was an update that came back. But I love the boombox. My boombox is, like, almost my favorite character. It's like I just love the boombox. It's, like, my favorite character, almost. My favorite character is, like, Nick and the neon outfit. I think this is, like, my second favorite character. And now Alex is third, but Dino, I have no idea what happened to Dino. He like totally disappeared. So, I like Dino. That's okay. There's always the Chinese version. Even though I never played that before, and I never will. Okay, I'm gonna die very soon.
Hey guys, I just opened up a drawer and guys, look what I found. A key.
Oh, I think that's mommy keys. Okay, I got to 1 million, guys, so I'm just gonna wait until
Can I show them?
stops.
Can I show them?
Oh, okay, you can show them.
Guys, look at this. Guys, tell me if this looks mysterious to you.
Okay,
See
sure.
the words
I'm
on
just gonna
it?
see where I die.
And
And I guess we're going to the old train wreck. Okay.
see the word, you guys?
Oh man, there's a mystery box. Oh my god! I have 14 keys and 14 coins. I can't believe it. Look at that. 14 coins, 14 keys, and 14 coins. I just can't believe it. I got more coins anyway. It's 234 now. And 495.
Mommy, Morrison, can you read this?
It doesn't. Wait, it says something?
Yeah.
Black Decker.
That's
It's not a bad word.
it almost sounds like
No, don't say it. Don't
it
say it.
almost sounds like back
Don't say it.
decker.
Don't say it. Don't say
It almost
it.
sounds like back decker. Is it decker or becker?
I don't know what a decker is.
Decker.
I said it.
No, you said decker.
No, never. Oh, I said. You just can't even say it anymore. Stop.
It's decker.
I did say it that way. Okay, stop.
Guys, comment down below if he said dicker or decker.
Stop saying that.
I don't know.
I know. I just want you to stop. I just want you to stop already. Plus, I said it the right way, I thought.
If you think you did.
What are you arguing about?
No,
It says decker, but he said dicker.
What?
This says decker, but he said dicker.
Whatever, who cares?
I know, but I said it fine, I thought.
Don't
Oh, stop it!
let it get you worried.
I just want you to stop saying that.
What?
I know I'm wrong.
Who cares?
I don't care if I'm wrong, so why do you have to make it like a big deal? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.